What is the best leverage for trading crypto, stocks, Forex, or any other financial market? In the cryptocurrency markets, we usually see leverage anywhere from 2x to 100x. So it's a very wide variety here. You can see crypto exchanges offer some of the highest leverage options, but this can be a bit risky because crypto also has high volatility, right? And this increases the risk of liquidation. And by the way, guys, if you want to trade cryptocurrency and at the same time get a free bonus, I highly recommend to check out Bybit. I will have a link to Bybit both in the description and the top comment. So check out Bybit if you want to trade leverage with crypto. When it comes to Forex, many times when it comes to Forex trading, we actually have lots of leverage. Typically, we can have anywhere from 30 to 500x. As you can see here, foreign exchange markets often offer high leverage, and that is because the Forex pairs themselves tend to be pretty low volatility. When it comes to stocks, here leverage is usually much lower. We're talking about 2x to 4x here. Sometimes we see up to 10x. I know that the broker I'm using for trading stocks offer up to 10x on some stocks, but definitely not all stocks. And for futures trading, we can also see from around 10 to 20, but for some futures trading up to 100x. But let's go down here and take a look at this. This is very important. Here you can quickly see how a 5% market move affects different leverage positions. So if you use no leverage, of course, a 5% increase will only lead to 5%, while a 20x leverage position will increase your position to 2,000 with a 5% increase leading to $100. Alright, so this video was actually just a very short clip from our full leverage trading guide. To watch the full video, simply click or tap right here. I hope I will see you all over there very, very soon.